In this Hanon tutorial, we'll be having a look at Hanon exercise number 11. And exercise number 11 is another preparation for the trill for the 4th and 5th fingers. We are first going to have a look at the right hand, and especially the sequence part that we need to play. So this part right here we will be having a look at. Now, because this is exercises that are for 2 octaves, to keep the tutorial short, I will only be playing 1 octave. So I'm going to start on middle C, but remember, please start all the way down low C and go all the way up to high C. And also remember to repeat the exercise at the end, as it does have repeat signs. Right, so let's have a look at the right hand. Starting on middle C, I'm going to ensure that I have a stretch between my 2nd and 1st finger, meaning that I'm not going to play D. 1, 2, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4. Thumb is now on D. Stretching again, not playing E. 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4. 1, 2, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now, when we get to the top, we are going to do the following ascending. Starting on 5th finger, we are going to play 5. Now look closely, 2 and the stretch in between the thumb and the 2nd finger, skipping that key there, C. Moving our 2nd finger into the opening. 1, 2, 3, 2. I'm going to do it one more time. 5, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 5, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. 5, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now, when we get to the bottom, we need to take note of how we end. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So the ending there at the end will be 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Very important to remember. So the ending, 5, 2, stretch, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. For the left hand, we will have the following. Starting on C, 5th finger, 5, 3, stretch again between the 1st and 2nd finger. 2nd moves into the space. So more or less the same as if we would come down with the right hand. When we get to the top, we are going to have the following. One on G, 3, so still that stretch, very important. 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4. Thumb again on the next note. That stretch still applies. Getting to the end, G, 3, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. So our ending at the end will use the fingers 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. Putting the exercise hands together, at the top, remember now the stretch, third finger, and the stretch here in the thumb. Getting to the end. So in this particular Hanon exercise, we have some movement we need to take notes of. So movement between 1 and 2, depending on whether we are ascending or descending and which hand we are using. Our fingering is very, very, very important to make sure that we are playing the correct fingers in order for us to do the exercise, the preparation for the trill with the 4th and 5th fingers. And also try to focus. You have to really, really focus with this one in order to make sure that you play it smoothly and evenly. High fingers, lifting up your fingers as you play, and so on. And also to remember that we have that repeat sign at the end, so make sure that you practice this one twice. Take it slow at first, right and left hand separately, always I say, then put it hands together, but also to get the most out of each Hanon exercise. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel and check out any other videos or Hanon exercises that I've done previously. Thanks for watching.